Just been out here having a little shoot, and just got low on air. About to fill up again, and just thought I'd make a video showing how I do it anyway. Fill up with air, because there's some people on forums and that, Facebook, that, well, like myself, before I got this one, I didn't really know. And if you don't know, well, it's a bit of a minefield. I've got this Hydrotech one. I bought it from Exeter. It's Southern County Guns. Anyways, if you put in Hydrotech 7 litre bottle, you should get them up. Came with everything. I was having a look last night. You can get it now empty for, I think it was £209.99, or with air in it for £214.99. And that's a 300 bar. There we are. That's what it is. 300 bar bottle. You can get 232 bars, but don't get the 232 bar. My lot seem there's a lot in it, but 300s hold a hell of a lot more air. I used to use a stirrup pump and think, oh, why is everybody going for bottles? Just use a stirrup pump. But I started to get a lot more rat jobs, and it's a pain in the ass pumping it up at night. Your heart starts going, you're looking down the scope, it's jumping up and down, so I thought, oh, fuck it, I'll get a bottle. I ain't looked back. This thing's like brilliant. I just sort of show how quick you can fill your gun up with it. Right, at the moment, let's have a look what we got in there. I think it's just under 100 bar. Right. First of all, take that off. And I got the old style, not the fancy quick fill one. I always keep a bag over the end, stops dust and shite getting in it, because it's left out here in the shooting shed. That's my range. From here down to there's 100 yards. Obviously I don't shoot 100 yards with it, but let's stick this thing under my chin. Let's have a look. I don't know how good this is coming out. Alright. Where are we? There we go. Oh, I already got the camera. Right. Once it's on, come over to here. That's like your purge valve, if you will, so make sure that one's turned off. Let's have a look. Just start counting from now. Just turn that on. There you are. It's just here to go click. Just turn it up very slowly. Let it climb up. Just let it go slightly over. Turn it off. Back on. Turn off. Back on. Turn off. There we go. That's 180 bar done. Right, now back to this one. Open that up. That lets the air out that's in the line. Don't try and take that off until you've purged it, because you won't get it off, or if you do, it's going to make a bang. Right. Right, that one's back off. Hang on, back under the chin. There we go. And yeah, that's what there is to it. This is an Air Arms S410. Hopefully somebody will find this helpful. I'll put a link in the description for the bottle, and there's something I found on the net about bottles as well, giving you some more information about it. I'll put that in the description as well. Like I say, it might help somebody out, because before I got it, I mean, I've had it, I'll tell you how long I've had it, so there you are, 21st of the 5th, 21. So, year and a half. Before I started looking into them, I didn't have a clue. It's all a bit new. So there you go.